Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your feedback. You can also join me on Instagram right here at Dishes with David. So today I'm going to be making aubergine or eggplant meatballs without the meat. Simple ingredients, some parsley added, some Parmesan cheese, some breadcrumbs, some eggs, some salt, some flavoring, mix it all together. We pop them in the oven, we bake them, they come out crunchy on the outside, nice and soft on the inside, and they're a great snack or an entree. If you're having a dinner party, hors d'oeuvres, up to you. If you're enjoying my channel so far, please don't forget to put comments down below and hit that subscribe button. But for now, let's get cooking. So that's how you make them, quite easy. And here is the result. You can see, lovely, crispy on the outside, and of course, nice and soft on the inside. So let's try this out. I could eat these all day. They're so good. Now you could actually put these into a nice tomato sauce and mix them with the pasta, let them sit for a while, or just eat them straight out of the oven, which is what I'm going to do right now. Thanks for watching. Please put comments down below and do hit that subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.